LinkedIn social networking founder Reed Garnett Hoffman says, "The old paradigm of climbing up the corporate ladder is dead and gone. No career is a sure thing anymore. Now is the time to develop your new ideas for your company that you currently work for and help them in their future growth, and at the same time develop your own sideline, income producing hobby career. A side art." Now, if you haven't heard about it, it's a new job movement strategy. It suggests that if you are now working for an established company or organization or institution, what used to refer to as a career that has security, you must immediately find your passion or the thing that you're pretty good at doing and exchanging that product, service, or idea in a more unique and better way on your own. So, this is Kerry Ruff. Continue to move your energy differently and adding huge value to the world with what you do best.